Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare mushroom masala. It's a medium spice masala recipe. Let's get started. Now we can see the list of ingredients along with the measurements. We'll see it one by one now. For this recipe we need 300 grams of mushrooms, 150 grams of shallots, 150 grams of tomatoes, coriander leaves, curry leaves, and a green chilli. We need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and whole garam masala, which includes bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. 1.5 tablespoons of chilli powder, the same amount of dhaniya powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt to taste, and oil. Now we are going to prepare the masala paste for the recipe. In the hot oil, we are going to add half of the shallots and we are going to fry it well. Now we are adding the ginger garlic paste. Later we are going to add half of the tomatoes here and we are going to cook well. Finally adding the salt. Now we are going to grind this things together to a fine paste. I am adding oil in a hot pan and I am frying the whole garam masala. Now adding bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and a cardamom. And once all this garam masala is fried, we are adding the shallots. I'm using the rest of the shallots here and I'm frying it well. Now I'm going to add curry leaves and a green chilli. Now adding tomatoes here. I'm stirring it continuously. Now I'm adding the paste which we prepared earlier. This paste is going to give the thickness to the masala, and it also gives extra special taste for this recipe. So make sure all the ingredients mix thoroughly. Stir it continuously for 2-3 minutes. Now I am going to add salt. This is a medium spice. You can add more spices also. Now we are going to start off with our masala. So I am adding turmeric powder, chilli powder, dhaniya powder, finally garam masala. Mix all these masalas together. Stir it continuously. Once everything is mixed up properly, I am going to add the mushrooms. Stir it continuously. So now I am going to add water and going to close it with a lid. After 10 minutes, our recipe is ready. I am just adding coriander leaves on top of it. Now our mushroom masala is ready to serve. It's a wonderful recipe and you can have it along with chapati, dosa or else along with rice also. Please try this at home. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Happy cooking.